Lesson 6.3. Use similar polygons. When I put something on the overhead projector, the projected image is larger than what is on the screen. The image is of a different size with the same shape as what I write. They are similar. So what you're seeing on your phone is different than what I'm seeing on my iPad, but it's the same shape. Different sizes, same shape is similar. So similar figures are when two figures are the same shape but different sizes. Same shape, different sizes means similar. The symbol for similar is just the little squiggle. It's a tilde. It's like congruent but without the equal. The polygons are similar if and only if corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are proportional. So the angles are congruent, sides are proportional. The ratio of the lengths of corresponding sides is called the scale factor. In these pictures, ABC is similar to QRST. So what is the scale factor of QRST to ABCD? So what we need to do is we need to find a side of each corresponding sides that I know the numbers. So I have QR and AB. QR and AB. QR is 6, AB is 12. That reduces to 1/2. So our scale factor is 1/2. I put the QR on top because it came first. Now we need to find X. So now I know the scale factor. I can do my scale factor equals and then the X. Now was the X on the bigger or the smaller? That's right, the X was on the bigger. So it'll go on the bottom with the bigger number. And it corresponds to the 4. So then we just need to cross multiply. I'll have 1x equals 2 times 4. Perimeters of similar polygons. Since perimeters are just the lengths of the sides and the sides proportional, it would make sense then that the perimeters are also proportional. So if two polygons are similar, then the ratio of their perimeters is equal to the ratios of their corresponding side lengths. And if they're congruent, they're the same size, so then the scale factor would be 1:1. So these two shapes are similar. I'm going to start by finding the scale factor of FGHJK to ABCDE. So again, we're going to find sides that correspond that have known lengths. So I have AB. So AB corresponds to FG. So since the FGHJK came first, I'm going to do FG to AB. FG is 15, AB is 10, reduced by 5, and you get 3/2. So the scale factor is 3:2. All right, we're supposed to find X. Well, I can take my scale factor and then look at my X. Is the X on the bigger shape or the smaller shape? That's right, it's the smaller shape, so I'll put it down on the bottom with a smaller number. And it corresponds to an 18 on the bigger shape. So cross multiply. And divide by 3, and you see that X is 12. All right, we're supposed to find the perimeter of the smaller shape, so we could use proportions and find the lengths of all the sides. Or we could just use proportions with a perimeter. FGHJK, its perimeter is all the sides added together, so 18 plus 15 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15. So its perimeter is 69. So I can take my scale factor, and I'm looking for the perimeter of ABCDE. Was that the bigger or the smaller? That's the smaller, so I'm going to put a P for perimeter on the bottom with a smaller number. And I'll put the perimeter of the bigger one on top. We can cross multiply. So I'll have 3P equals 138. Divide by 3, and you get P equals 46. Let's try one more. These triangles are similar, and we want to find the median KM. All right. Well, so if I want to find KM, KM corresponds to the 35. Well, what else do I know in the triangle with KM? Oh, I know this. That's 48. What does that correspond to in the other triangle? Corresponds to here, HE. Oh, wait, but I don't know HE. Oh, but the marks say HE and GH are the same, so HE is 40. So I can cross multiply. 40 times KM equals 35 times 48. Divide by the 40. So KM is 42. That's it for today. Have a good day.